Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Life is Science. Today we are talking about the best natural foods that provide essentially vitamins and keep your body healthy. First, let's talk about vitamin A. Foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and broccoli are rich in vitamin A. These vitamins helps improve eye health, supports your immune system, and keeps your skin glowing. Next is vitamin B complex. Whole grains, eggs, milks, bananas, and nuts are excellent source. These vitamins help your body convert food into energy, improve brain function, and support healthy nervous cells. For vitamin C include orange, lemons, strawberries, tomatoes, and green peppers. Vitamin C helps in boosting immunity, healing wounds, and keeping your skin strong and fresh. Vitamin D is a very important for strong bones. You get it from sunlight, but also from foods like milk, cheeses, eggs, and fatty fish such as a salmon. Vitamin E is found in almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. And finally, vitamin K, which helps in a blood clotting and bone health. Comes from green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and cabbage. So add these vitamins rich foods to your daily diet for a healthier life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health video.